am Janine Minervini from San Diego, California. I'd say like in my early 30s, I started getting some really fabulous opportunities to do some bikini modeling and some hair modeling and all sorts of fun things. Even before I would show up, I feel like I was always trying to make my hair fuller. So between hypothyroidism, thin, fine hair, I'm a total stressor. I'm grateful for the hair I have. But yes, it's really thin, and so anytime I want to go out, I wear ponytails at work, I wear baseball caps all the time, I wear braids, just to mask how thin it is. I'm just really hoping to learn more and to feel a lot better about myself. I feel great. I feel like I'm back, I'm ready to rock and roll. This is what I feel like when I'm talking to someone. This is what I see myself looking like. I would absolutely recommend toppers for women with hair loss, whether they're at just a beginning stage like I am, where my hair is thinning and I can't even just go out to a store and feel good about myself. If I put this on, I feel ready for an interview, I feel ready to rock and roll. Even with someone with maybe a little bit further stage of hair loss, putting this on would just make them feel like $1,000,000. Not that they're not beautiful as they are, but this just gives you a whole different feeling and just confidence. You do need to get this done, custom made with a human being that can fit you. It takes a specialist to do this, and I feel like I was handled by the best, and I feel cute.